Avenida de Longevidade, Street of Longevity. These two will last a long time. We got a lot of longevity right here. And we're in this area called Ayonhon, so we're going to show the other sign over there. And I think she wants to say something.
Because I don't even know. We're also going to find out what this place is together.
She said we're going to find out what this place is together. So this is actually an area called Ayonhon. It's kind of near the border. There's a marketplace right there. Longevidad is this Target Street. And then we're going to just label it this accordingly as Ayonhon as well. So let's go check it all out. So and we'll show you what we see. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So let's go over that way because I'm gonna go show the sign first. So let's check that out. Perfect timing. Got the green light, right?
Perfect timing because Kriya was about to like point out the sign to like go this way.
Oh wow. Well, we're heading this way. And this sign right here says Rua do Mercado de Ayonhon, and that's our Avenida de Longevidade. And that right there is the marketplace, that red building. So that whole block, it goes all the way around. That space right over there. And we got lots of people coming around this way, so let's make space for them. Tiny little space there. So let's walk around a little bit and let's go into see what all the stuff is around here. We got some comidas. Actually, this looks like it's maybe Indonesian style. Looks a bit different, right? Like it looks like, I think those are usually, they have them in like Indonesia, and these ones too. And this one has like sticky rice. So I think it's I think it looks like it's like Indonesian.
I also like rice cake, but I can't really make it.
You're a rice cake fan, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what else.
I like the green tea flavor.
The green tea flavors?
Yeah.
What's this one?
Ooh, lemon.
Looks like they're making some hot lemon, hot orange right there, and they're gonna mix it with some egg and some other stuff.
That's gonna
Let me see, Queen Quilheria Hoysam. They mix Portuguese with Chinese. There's a supermarket. Yeah, actually this whole area up here in Ayonhon is it's a lot closer to the border. So I feel like it's like more like market focused. They got Thai right there. I think this one.
This whole place has been here for like years.
Yeah. They got some nice meats over there too. These are like eggs that have like soil on them. They got all these as well, which is pretty interesting. Hey, these meats, would you buy and eat those right there? Like intestines maybe or something? Okay. So Ayonhon, there's a red market right there. So the red market basically has all the fresh meats and vegetables. Actually this one looks like you can buy stoves in here. So let's see what else we got around here. I guess we'll go that way. I guess we don't really have a focus, but I guess what we could do for a focus is we could kind of focus around the corner in this little Aeon here. But basically we can see there's a lot of like market kind of stuff not too far from the other marketplace. Oh yeah, so we are in a new all these different streets come into the marketplace here. Oh, this one says this is association of this is like Fujian is a part of mainland China, so it's the association of mujeres as women. So it's like a association. There's a CFW. Yeah, supermarket is Royal Supermarket, and then there's also an association there in orange. It's like a women of Fujian. It says what?
I think it says
Loyola. I don't know if the camera might not catch you very well.
it's okay.
This is stuff that Tyler likes a lot, like that one right there. There's kind of interesting up there. Kind of got lots of interesting stuff around here. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just walk around the peripheral part. Here's Hippodroma. All kinds of interesting stuff in every direction up here. And basically we got a lot of like market stuff. Like that seems to be the main focus right here. Everything's kind of centered around the red market, so they got like fruits and vegetables and meats. Like a dog cage there, but okay. You want to do a dance or anything?
Leah's also gonna do dance.
Oh, you want me to hold that? So I have to hold this, and then we're gonna get out of the sidewalk a little bit because this side I'm getting out of this sidewalk, but this is all open, so you guys can use that open space. If you come over here, it's better. I guess you could film over there. I guess it's okay too. Alright, let me move. I want to get them in the centerpiece. I have to move. I guess I'm the one that has to move. Kind of close to the sidewalk, so pretty cool. I got there's like all this space right here, so just learned it yesterday.
Yep. Not really familiar, but still managed to do it.
So okay, so we're gonna, I guess we don't really have a good focus, so we can either so I guess what we'll do is we'll just keep walking around the peripheral part. And I guess we'll just kind of show the marketplace. Anyways, I'm hanging out with my kids today. It's Sunday, and we're just kind of walking around this little Aeon Hone area. And there's a playground. I think they'll probably want to go over there. Cool. Got a big smile. So anyways, you got a little taste of it, and I guess what we'll probably do is probably go to that playground, because I think that's...
This might be a short video.
Yeah, it might be a short video.
I mean, at least a short, because I don't really like to watch like 12-minute videos.
Yeah, yeah, because it's yeah, probably have to edit a lot of it, I think, because it's not really, yeah. Okay, so anyways, it's kind of cool right there. Okay, so I guess what we'll do is we'll just end the video over here, and we'll come into this park area. Let the kids run around a little bit and have some good time. But we're in this area called Mercado de Aeon Hone, and usually I do film specific streets, but I think we kind of did a little bit of a different one today. So we're basically doing this Mercado and kind of meandering, and gotta let the kids have a little bit of fun here, so they're gonna come over here. There goes one there, and here comes the other one. And I don't want to film everybody else's kids, so we're just going to end it. There goes the boy. And that's where we're going to be, right in here. And we're in this Aeon Hone area. And want to say any final words?
Like and subscribe. Click here. This is a short video for you.
Oh, that sounds like a good plan.
So you don't have to watch it for long.
This is kind of interesting. This is like a little game room, so I lost the kids into here. And basically they can win all these prizes. It's kind of a scam, of course, but... And then you have to like do all these things and pull it and grab the lever. So yeah, it looks like things are even in UN prices as well. Then they got some games over here to the right, so they're playing some mahjong stuff over there. And yeah, anyways, and you got some more stuff over that direction as well. So we're still up at the border, and still kind of in the Aeon Hone area. It's kind of sweet. Whoa, it was right. I think my boy's gonna go shopping for something. Anyway, it's kind of interesting. I hadn't really seen that before, so just kind of checking that out. Oh. And yeah, we're kind of up by the border, so Ao Hon. This is kind of interesting stuff right here too. I'd like to explore that another time. And you got some guys doing mahjong over there, and another park over there too. And that concludes Avenida de Longevidade, along with, we basically went around that corner, down that street, and then we, you didn't see the camera was off that time. We did the playground and we went over it that way a little bit. Anyways, and that's the red market right there. Longevidade. Yeah. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.